am going to unbox $400 worth of meat that I picked up at the butcher's. Now this was a box that I could choose. It was box number 5 and it was $400 tax in. So let's see what's inside. I needed some help with this big guy. It's quite heavy. So we have ourselves a blade roast, some chicken thighs, 2 of those, 2 packs of chicken breast, ooh, some spaghetti sauce, a ham, 1 packs of bacon, some steak rounds, there's 3 packs of those, that's kind of cool, some more chicken thighs, stewed beef cubes, a French roast. Oh, my husband will like this. Some breakfast sausages. I've got 3 packs of those. These little tenderized steaks that I know my kids will absolutely love. My kids could just live off of steak every day, but they would. But there's actually 4 packs, even better. 2 packages of these pork chops. I think there's about 6. A pork roast. And some minced meat. We've got deal. Seeing as I'm at the butcher's weekly, spending $100 a week regardless, this may actually save me a couple dollars. So let me know in the comments below what you think of this lovely haul.